Alright, the secret to Dura-dressing or perma-shine is to actually get all of the old tire shine off of the tire, and that will allow the new product to adhere to it and make it last, help it last as long as possible. So here we're going to go over it with the tire cleaner. This is a very important step in Dura-shine or the perma-shine. You have to get the tire clean. Sometimes you have to do this as well. Sometimes you have to do this 3-5 times. So it is a very time-consuming process, but it is very necessary. As you can see, as I'm scrubbing it, it is turning dark brown. That is that cleaner pulling out all of the old tire shine, all of the old oils, all of the dirt off that tire. And we want to keep doing this until we have white bubbles. The cleaner I'm using today is actually from Dura-coating. It's their Dura-clean. And I'll post all the products I've used in this truck down in the description. Go ahead and rinse that. All right, we'll jump to something faster, and I'll show you the finished product after it's all cleaned. Yeah, I said you'll know when you have all the stuff out of it, all the oils, all the previous tire shines, you'll have white bubbles. This is what I'm talking about. And after that completely dries, we'll be ready to put our either Dura-shine or perma-shine on it. You do this whole process, and after you put that tire shine on, you'll be amazed at how long it lasts.